Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. My name is Nikita from BISP Solution. In this session, we are going to create hourly grade rates, and then we can also use this grade rate in the salary basis option. When we creating the salary basis for hourly, then we can use this grade rate there. So let's just move on to the application and see how we can create the hourly grade rates. So you have to log in as a implementation user or HR specialist user. Then you have to go to the My Client group and find the compensation. Okay, you can also search task here and you can just scroll down and find your task. This is our task, the grade rates. I'm just going to click on it. For existing grade rates, you can search by legislative data group and by name or by grade. But we are going to create new ones, so I'm going to click on the create option. Here we have to select the legislative data group. The effective start date is automatically populated here. If you want to change this date, you can change it. And then you can enter the name for the grade rates. For example, we are creating here the hourly grade rate. So its name US hourly grade rate. Then the rate type, we select the salary here, the status is active, and in the frequency here we have to select the hourly because we are creating the hourly grade rate. Then we have to add the grade value. So here you can see the authorization or annualization factor is automatically populated. If we select annually, the annualization factor is 1. And if we select monthly, then annualization factor is 12. Now we are selecting the hourly, so it's 2080. Let's add the rate values here. So here I'm going to select the admin 01. Now here we have to define the minimum maximum value. So we are defining in the USD. So we have to define accordingly. For example, I define here, for example, 8.02, for example, and for the maximum, define 17.74. Let's add another. Here we have, again, we have to define the maximum will be 22.55, for example. Let's add another one. So 17.73 dollar minimum value, and maximum is 27.35 dollars. Midpoint is automatically populated when we fill the minimum and maximum amount. Let's add the last one. You have to define again minimum maximum value. So it's 22.55 and maximum is 32.07. Okay, so we define the values here for this hourly grade rate. Let's review it first, then we submit it. So here is the review page, the legislation information, the grade rate values information, and here we can add the comment and the attachment. Okay, so let's just submit this grade rate value, hourly grade rate value, then okay, so our request is now submitted. So that's how we can create the hourly grade rate for US. I hope this method is clear to you. Thank you so much for watching the video.